शुक्रिया मेरे पहले वीडियो पे क्लिक करने के लिए। थैंक यू फॉर, मतलब पहले से ही मैं थैंक यू बोल दे रहा हूँ। सो टुडे आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द 3 M's ऑफ लाइफ। द फर्स्ट वन विल बी द मोटिवेशन, सेकंड वन विल बी द मेडिटेशन एंड द थर्ड वन विल बी द माइंडसेट। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। There are two types of motivation and people are obsessed with the first one. They watch the videos on social media and try to get motivated. Do you know there is another one which I call the internal one, and this is the best one, the internal motivation. A person get a self motivation when he or she take all their experiences in the positive way. If something bad happened in past in your life, then that particular thing will teach you in a certain way in today's time. And the good one will push you in a positive way. It will push you forward to do something more better in your life. Explore yourself, evolve in your experiences. If it is a kind of thing, if you start exploring yourself, if you start understanding your past experiences, this will give you more positive things to go, and I would say to accomplish your goal. This is a kind of self motivation which comes from inside when you start understanding yourself, when you start observing yourself. So the second one is meditation. People take meditation in a way that they have to leave everything what they are doing in the present time. They think like सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के एक जगह बैठ के focused होना पड़ता है. That is a kind of meditation everyone is talking about. Everyone think these types of thing about meditation. It is about realizing, or firstly I would say understanding your present state. Let me clear you something. When people try to meditate, their mind take them into the state that they think they have to fix something, that they have done something wrong, they have to fix something in their life. But actually you don't have to do something like this. You don't have to fix something. Everything is fine. गलतियां सबसे होती हैं. Let me explain you with one example. You have experienced, or I would say listen these types of things or observe these types of things in your life कि वक्त के साथ ना सब कुछ सही हो जाता है. After some time, when you observe your bad experiences or the situation you were in a bad condition in the past, then you see that everything is fine after some time. The kind of word I am just getting in my mind that वक्त के साथ ना वक्त सब कुछ ठीक कर देता है, वक्त सब कुछ बदल देता है. If you observe your bad time or the bad experiences, you will find many things or something better to have now in your hand. These are called the experiences. Every experiences, the experiences which you think they are the bad one or the good one, they will give you. The bad ones will lead you understand the life more better, and the good one will push you forward to do more things in a positive way in present time. So meditation is all about understanding yourself, understanding your present state of mind. मेडिटेशन के लिए कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको एक जगह बैठ के और सारी चीजें बंद करके सारा कुछ एकदम शांति के माहौल में बैठना है. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. आपको अपनी हर एक चीज जो भी आप दुनिया में करते हो, जो भी आप दिन में करते हो, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, ऑब्जर्व दोस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, और यू हैव टू ऑल्सो ऑब्जर्व द पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग याद करते हैं अपने बुरे वक्त को, बट बुरा वक्त भी आपको कुछ सिखा के जाता है. एंड मेडिटेशन इज ऑल अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग योर प्रेजेंट स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. The third one is mindset. You have seen many videos on social media, on Instagram, on YouTube about mindset, about positive mindset. I would say if you want to understand or you want to know how this particular things work, the rewiration of your mind, the changing of the mindset, you have to understand the 2 M's first. The first one is the motivation and the second one is the meditation. You have to understand both the things, then you will go, and I would say then you will understand your mindset. अब सभी ने ये तीनों वर्ड ना अपनी लाइफ में कहीं ना कहीं सुने होंगे. मेडिटेशन, मोटिवेशन, माइंडसेट, ये सारी चीज़ें आपने सुन रखी होगी. In fact, in many ways, the positive mindset is a source of empathy. Empathy in many ways. Empathy for yourself, empathy for your family, empathy for the peoples you're meeting in daily life. And for those people who जो खुद को समझते हैं, and they are the people like self-reflective. They see their own image, understand themselves in a more better way. The empathy is a kind of word for them. They have the positive mindset, they have the right mindset in their life. These were the people, I would say, they display the less immoral behavior towards other people in their life. It is important to study ourselves, because when we go deeper and deeper, understand ourselves, we see a kind of thing which is known as universal nature. The factor of universal nature is a kind of thing every person is on this planet Earth. In simple way, we understand the similarities among ourselves, among every people on this planet. Let me explain this whole set of mindset with one example. You take your family members, suppose your mummy and papa. You take them as if you start observing them, you will find something which is common in you and them too. And after that there is a kind of thing ना, जब हम किसी और को देखते हैं तो हमें चीज़ें ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आती हैं. So there is a section, I would say there is a part in life when you do these types of things, you start observing your mummy and papa, and then you will see that you have some kind of things which is relatable, which is I would say same in you and them too. You will understand those particular thing, and you can change with time. You can change those particular thing with time. If you find something कि ये तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है तो तुम उस चीज़ को change कर सकते हो. This is a kind of thing you are changing your mindset. This is a kind of thing reviration of your mind. And if you go socially, you see your behavior. This is the kind of observation, self observation. After observing yourself, you will capable to change your mindset. People talk about the positive mindset about the businesses. When you start something, when you do startup, when you start a business, there is a kind of positive mindset. People talk about it. You have to understand your present situation. After understanding your present situation, you will go on a path to change your mindset. People think like जब भी कोई मोटिवेशनल वीडियो देखते हैं वो क्या सोचते हैं कि हम अपने जो सारी चीज़ें ना उनको हटा के, उनको मतलब सारी जो हैबिट्स हैं उनको हटा के हम दूसरी हैबिट्स को और अच्छे से इन्बिल्ड करेंगे और अच्छे से लाइफ जिएंगे. बट आई वुड से देयर आर द मैनी पॉजिटिव्स इन यू यार. आपके पास बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं, तो उन चीज़ों को पीछे मत छोड़ो, उन चीज़ों को ऑब्जर्व करो. आई वुड से प्रेजेंट स्टेट को समझो, फिर आगे बढ़ो. This will give you the plus point when you do some kind of thing, business और job. कुछ भी करियर करोगे, कुछ करियर में कुछ भी करोगे तो वो तुम्हें कुछ पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट, अच्छी चीज़ें देंगी, अच्छा माइंडसेट प्रोवाइड करेंगे, अच्छा मतलब आप अच्छे से सारी चीज़ों को कर पाओगे. And at last, let me clear you one thing. You are not creativity, but you do creative things with your mindset, the right mindset. Thank you for listening, or I would say watching the video till the end, as if this is my first video. So if this particular section, or I would say this particular video add something, add values to your life, then please give a like to it. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. Be unstoppable, live in reality, keep smiling. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.